Troy.
Zach.
It's nice to see you. We're out here at Buckingham for our final lesson. Got a beautiful day, weather permitting. Today is going to be our short game lesson, right? So we could focus on putting or chipping a little closer to the green, but I know when we started, a couple weeks back, you said that 30 to 70 yards is where you struggle with. Is that right?
Yes, that is.
Perfect. Would you say that this costs you probably the most shots within your game now that we've worked on the driver and the irons and you're hitting those a little better? Would you say this 30 to 70 yard probably knocks off a couple shots?
Definitely, yeah. After the few lessons that we had with driver and getting it to hit more straight, finding more fairways, definitely it's the 30 to 70 yard range now.
I gotcha. So what's your miss from 30 to 70? Are you chunking, thinning, hitting it out of the heel? What are we doing?
Probably mostly thinning because I'm just coming out of the shot, like thinking it's just an easy shot. Chunking happens occasionally, but probably heel as well, more close to the heel.
Yeah, and then once we start raising up, we realize we're raising up, then we try to stay down, and then we chunk it a little bit.
Exactly.
Sort of duff it, leave it short.
Yep.
Awesome. What club do you have in your hand right now?
I have a 60 degree right now.
60 degree? You know how much bounce is on that?
10.
Perfect. So first thing I'm going to do before we even get into the lesson is I'm actually going to have you go down to either a 56 or a 54 degree. Typically with that, we see a little less bounce. Along with that, the leading edge isn't going to dig as much, right? It's a lot easier to hit a 54 or a 56 degree compared to a 60 degree. There's less margin for error. So what are you really looking to work on the 30 to 70? Would you say your worst yardage is 30 or is it 70? Are you more comfortable, pushing it back a little bit, or the closer you get, the more comfortable you are?
I would say it's more in the middle of the two, more like around like the 50-60 range. Because 70 is almost like a full shot. I can just go take a little bit off of it, and I'm better at that. And 30 is like below a half shot. That's kind of like a little easier. Once I get to like that half range, it's kind of hard to find that that certain take back for like 40, 50, 60 yards.
I gotcha. So would you say your feel is sort of off?
Yes, definitely.
Gotcha. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you something along with whatever we work on in your swing to get you hitting the ball a little bit better. It's called the clock system.
Perfect.
Right. A lot of tour pros use it. Bryson's very big about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to find marks within like our backswing to take it to. Right. So say this is 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, so on and so forth, right? And we're going to sort of find those spots so okay, from 50 yards I'm hitting like a 4:30, 5 o'clock shot, and hopefully that'll help a little bit. You haven't been playing long enough, obviously, only 9 months under your belt to really develop that feel. So you don't know, you can't walk up to the golf ball, oh, this is a 50-yard shot, I know I need to take it back this far. So I think establishing a system for that will really help you out. Is there anything else you wanna talk about before we get started?
I don't think so, no.
Perfect. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.